Each year, County Materials invites students to visit our facilities for a unique learning experience with the concrete manufacturing industry. This year, County Materials participated in the Heavy Metal Tour, a statewide hands-on day of learning to educate Central Wisconsin students on the rewarding career possibilities available in local manufacturing. During our plant tours, students can see concrete pipe and block being made, metal forms being fabricated, and a variety of vehicles and equipment in our truck maintenance shop. They also learn about other support service careers in manufacturing, including safety, quality control, marketing, sales, finance, information technology, and human resources. Through plant tours and education initiatives, students are learning that the manufacturing industry is vibrant and growing with innovative technology and various career opportunities. Whether students want to pursue a 2-year or 4-year degree or start working right after high school, concrete manufacturing offers limitless paths to success from entry-level positions to management and leadership careers.